This lesson is on variables and expressions. We're going to go through some terms to start. Starting with variables. Variables are symbols used to express numbers or values. The most common variable in algebra is x and y. An algebraic expression is just one or more numbers and variables with an operation. So one or more numbers and variables with one or more operation in between them. And we're going to go through some examples. So here's an example of an algebraic expression. We have a variable. Here's the operation plus, and here's the number 5. One way to write this is by saying m increased by 5. When we see d less than 7, this is what we do call a turnaround word. So we write this as 7 minus d. This is d less than 7. The next one, we have 13 plus 2x. So we can write this in words as 13 plus the product. Product is the answer to a multiplication problem. Multiplication is happening right here in between the 2 and x. Product of 2 and x. The product of 8, so we have 8, and the cube of b, so that's b with an exponent of 3 to the 3rd power. Then we have half of p, so we can say 1 half p minus 6. And the last one, we have 4 times the sum of x and 4. So we have 4, and then we're going to multiply that by the sum of x plus 4, so we need our parentheses in there. One thing to watch out for when you're translating verbal expressions into algebraic expressions, some words want you to flip them from side to side. So, for example, let me go back here. M increased by 5. We keep that in that order. But in here, we have this less than, and we have to flip around the d and the 7. So we actually write it as 7 minus d. So these flipping words, we can just write their expressions on either side of these words get flipped. These words are from, into, than, and that's the one we saw above, and then to. So when you see those words, you're going to flip around those expressions. On the next page of your notes, there's just a bunch of words that you can use to reference that algebraic to or verbal to algebraic expression. So make sure you take a look at all of those. And now it's time to practice. So we're going to go through 1 through 22 and try taking these verbal expressions and turning them into algebraic expressions. Here are the answers. Pause if you need to check, make sure all of your answers are correct.